Friends, this is the video on NASDAQ index, the tech index. I'll be putting my first video on NASDAQ tech index upon 4-hour time frame. So cutting it short, I prefer marking upon bar chart because they don't show any body bias, right? Either red or green. If somebody wants to trade patterns like head and shoulder, triangles, and Elliott Wave is also a pattern study, so it's better to use bar charts, right? So coming back to the point, let's see what the 4-hour chart of NASDAQ has for us. So first of all, I'll like to draw the trend line, or rather a channel, I would say, from upside to the lower side, right? First, I'll mark the price action in between this channel. Okay, so those who know Elliott Wave, it seems that this is a corrective price action. This is not impulsive. So if it is corrective, I'll go with this as the starting point, and this seems to be the W, this is X, this is Y, this is again X, and we are into the Z wave, right? For more simplicity to understand this structure, I'll mark the internals A, B, and C. I'll make these internals okay. The markings with oval, the circles, and circled ones are the higher wave, and internals are the internal. This simple ABC is the internal of this W, right? ABC, this complete wave forms the one wave W, then a connector X, then again this A from here till here, this B and this C, right? Then again a connector, then again this A, this B, and we are into the C of the Z wave, right? And inside the C wave, as you know that we have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, we are into the fourth is over or not, I don't know, right? Let's see. If third is over and we are into the fourth has to be restricted in between this fib zone 38 to 61.8%, right? So we are into the 4th wave, then we will retest this, and hopefully this correction will end and we may again give a pull back to the upside, at least till this zone, breaking this and this B top, breaking this falling trend line of the channel and the B top, right? So this is the price structure of this sideways channel price action, the price action inside the channel. So as I say that I usually mark the last 2-3 waves. So this seems to be A to the downside, and this seems to be the B and then C. What I mean here is, I'll just first do this to the intermediate, okay, right? And I'll change the color so that I'll put it orange, right? Okay, this is from here, this is A wave down, this is B.1, we are into the B.2, this whole channel structure, and then the C of the B wave will be over, either here minimum or may go upside, right? then C will come downside. This is my understanding of this price action as of now. So how to trade it? First of all, I'm not advising you to trade as per my logic. Just use my logic as a confirmatory tool or indicator if your trading setup or your analysis is also the same kind of, right? So use this as an indication to trade upon that side wherever my waves are pointing out. So wait for this confirmation here, the fifth wave down. When it re-enters, then your price action setups must be taken for a minimum target of this 29,871 or 29,900 or plus, right? If it the wave 5 is extended to the downside, then you can take the trade to the downside when fourth is over, minimum till here. So the downside risk reward is not that too good. It may go here also. I'll just check till where it can go. If it is over here, yeah, same. C can come around 27,850 something like not this C, this one, fifth wave, right? A, B and this C. This can come around here, this black smaller C that the C wave is running. This can come around here, right? So better to wait for a fall and then a price to re-enter. Where is that? Wait a second. I need an arrow. Yes. Price to break this horizontal line, then to re-enter and then shoot up to this side. This would be the perfect risk reward entry upon any setup, whether you're following RSI, moving averages, super trend, price action, SMC, ICT, Bollinger Band, whatever, or wave analysis, right? Adjust your risk reward here and just go for this target. I'm not advising you. I am saying that what I could have done or I could be doing, right, to target this up move whenever it comes. So patience is the key here. Wait for the setup in this zone around 27,800 to 27,700 or wherever the price halt. It's not that pinpointing it will halt here. It can go down and then come up. Down, coming up, re-entering this A zone. Here the setup should come. Then is the high probability move to the upside, right? So this is 4-hour chart. So it will take few days, right? So please subscribe to the channel and please do watch my S&P 500 video and the mega stock, tech stocks, the Apple I've not given, the others, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, right? Amazon. I've given these 4 stocks in the last video. Please do watch that also. And this is their index, daddy, right? The family accumulated with the tech stock, and this is the average of those 100 tech stocks, right? NASDAQ. So this is the view, down and then up. Individual stocks definitely fall more because they are individual, they have more momentum, and these NASDAQ is the average of 100. Obviously the movement is less because it is a average. This is not the front leading number, right? So please subscribe, press the bell icon, do comment if you have a different view, and help me to grow this channel. Thank you.